Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And surprise, I do not have locks anymore, starter locks anymore. Yeah, I was doing real good with my starter locks. I think I had them for maybe 6 months. And then I had, one day I was just sitting down and I had took one of my locks out because like I said before, my locks were starter locks, so they wasn't like completely locked, like to the point I couldn't take them down or whatever. And one day I had took the back down and I had straightened a piece. Like I got a lot of shrinkage in my hair. I had straightened a piece and it was like super, super long. It was longer than this because when I straightened my hair, you could see like the real length or whatever. And I'm gonna insert the picture. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a dry twist out, a beginner's dry twist out, because I'm learning how to like maintain my natural hair, and I want to start doing cute styles with them because like I said before, I do have thin edges. I have thin edges. Like you can't really tell, but they are thin and I just need them to grow back. Like, okay, what is this? Okay, but yeah, I got thin edges and I just need I need my hair to get back fully healthy. So, yep, I'm going to be doing a beginner's dry twist out on my hair. And I am going to start, I guess I'll start with the front. Should I start with the front? Or should I start with the back? I'm going to start with the front. All right, y'all, I'm going to start with the front. So, this is a beginner's twist out. And I am going to, I have 3 clips. So, I guess I could use a ponytail holder too. So, I am going to start parting it like this. Oh, and by the way, thank you for the 405 subscribers that I do have. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. Let's get to 500. Did I say 4,000? I hope I didn't. 406. But let's get to 500. All right, so we're going to get started. So I'm going to part it like this. I'm going to part it in 4s to make it easier for me. Let me try to turn around so y'all can see. Hold on. Sorry. So I'm kind of turn around. It ain't gonna be perfect. Don't gotta be perfect. Yeah, so part it like that. And then clip this out the way. Just like that. I kind of just rolled it up. That's all I did. Rolled it up like this. And then clipped it. And you want to do that to all 4 corners. Then I'm going to part this side. Can't really see what I'm doing because I'm trying to show y'all. Make sure I'm showing y'all at the same time. And then just clip this up. And I'm not doing small twists, mainly because I do not have the patience. So we're gonna clip this side out the way. Wait, oh, I guess I got 4 clips. Okay, so anyways, we're gonna start on this side. And I'm gonna just split these into 2. I'm doing chunky twists. I am not doing small twists. No, ma'am, not today. Oh, this one broke. Think it? What to do? All right, so start combing from the bottom. And what I'm gonna do is spray a little bit of this on my hands because I do not want it to shrivel up a lot because I want the definition. And then I'm gonna use some of this. Not that much. Let me see how much I'm gonna use. And this is olive oil moisturizing hair lotion, and it has castor oil. It's infused with castor oil, so I do like that. That's what kind of caught my attention with it. So I'm gonna use that much, especially on the ends, because my ends I want it to look super defined. So I'm gonna hurry up and twist it because I don't want it to shrink really bad. So I'm just twisting like this. I'm kind of twisting tight. And then once I get to the end, I'm gonna use, once I get to the end, I'm gonna use some of this olive oil gel to put on the ends so that when I take it down, it won't be frizzy. So once I get to the end, I'm gonna just go like this and let it curl up on its own, just like that. Just like that. And now we are gonna start on the next one. Spray a little bit on my hand. Very little. Some of this. And then all on it. Comb it out a little bit. And the reason that I like this, I like the fact that it has oil in it too. Castor oil at that. So I'm gonna keep twisting. And spray it a little bit more. I don't want it to be super dry. So I want my ends to be curly. A little bit of this. Wait. I don't like how that one not curling up. Oh, there we go. And now we're going to start on this side. Part it in half just like you did the right side. So now I'm just going to send it to this little dryer I got from Amazon, and then I'll be back, guys. Okay, so I think it is completely dry. I'm just going to put this on my fingers and then start to take down the back. Ooh. Okay. So I'm gonna just start taking down the back area. I think the back is still a little bit wet, but I got tired of sitting under that dryer. So, whoop. So this is how I'm separating them. This is the part that I always mess up on. Cause it seemed like mine's be, I don't know what I don't know. We'll finish. We'll see the finished look. I think the more I do them, the more I'll get better at it. No, I'm gonna take this down. Yeah, my back one is definitely still a little damp. I think next time I do it, maybe I'll try overnight and let it like sit overnight. Ooh. If you hear Zari and Josie talking in the background, they are playing in the living room. It's not that bad. My contacts feel dry. I just got these too. I think it's because I was sitting under the dryer. But I could see. That's all that matters. Alright. So this one. And I think once I fluff it out too. And then the front of my hair is a little bit more finer than the back. We'll get to fluffing it out when I'm done. I gotta be careful when twisting it back because it's definitely a little damp still. Or I probably should have just did a smaller twist like I did in the front. That's what it was. Because the braid was so thick. Here we go, Harley. Okay, so I tried to fluff it out a little bit more. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. I like the way it came out. Like I said before, I'm gonna make sure next time I do smaller twist in the back, just so I can have better definition. And if you guys have any pointers or tips for me, no, wait, I did wanna, before I leave, I did want to, so I could use this one. I did want to do a little bit of baby hairs. I think that helps complete the look a little bit. Ooh, my contacts feel so dry. Okay, so this is my completed look. And yeah, if you guys have any pointers or tips for me, you can comment below. I'm going to get better. I just got to keep doing them and practicing. And the more and more I do them, the more and more they'll get better. I'm just trying to get some thumbnails. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for some more cute natural videos. Bye.